guys, this is my favorite thing to do now. Just look at that. Cooked. Very much cooked. Very tender from the inside. You can see potatoes in your microwave, as easy as ABC. No more hassle, no more bustles. Just easy work in your microwave and you have your potatoes. We have some potatoes. These are potatoes. So did you know you can make potatoes in your microwave? Any type of potatoes, okay, except fried potatoes. You can make your boiled potatoes in the microwave. You can make your mashed potatoes in the microwave. So this is what we are going to be using. So these have been washed. I like mine with the skin on, and since I just want to make like a whole potato divided, then I'll add some cheese to it. I'll just use it the way it is. Otherwise, if you want it cubed, you can go ahead and peel it, cube it, and cook it however you like. Cook it however you like. If you want it like fries or something, go ahead and do exactly that. So the next thing we are going to do is poke. You need to poke holes in your potato just to avoid them from exploding. Yeah, so just poke in holes in your potato so that even the moisture can come out and they can cook perfectly. So you just want to poke holes like that, like I am doing. This step is very important while you're making your potatoes in the microwave. Be sure not to forget this. If you will forget to wash, that's on you. But poking the holes is very, very, very important. Very important step in making potatoes in the microwave. So we have poked the holes in the potatoes and we'll put them in a plate. Make sure you put them in a plate just to ensure like the surface area is well captured when heating in the microwave. So we'll put this in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and we'll see how it turns out. You can add some bit of oil at this point. You can add some bit of salt at this point, however you prefer. So in our potato goes. This is at the 8th mark, so we give it some time to cook. So this has been about 3 minutes on one side. So we are going to turn this. First, we can check if it has cooked. So not yet, but almost you can see almost on this side. So this side has partially cooked, so we want to turn it to the other side and see what the next 3 minutes will look like. So I can feel the aroma of cooked potatoes already. It's been 6 minutes, 3 minutes on both sides, and our potatoes are actually looking so good. They are actually looking so good. I just want to remove them and see if they are as good as they look. So there we go. Test time. Ooh, the fork has passed through very easy. That means our potatoes are perfectly cooked. They are perfectly cooked. So tell me, are you willing to go through the hassle of boiling potatoes for hours and hours and minutes while you can do it in your microwave for just 6 minutes? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Students, wherever you are and you have a microwave in your hostel, in your house, this is the trick for you. If you have no time, you're from work, you're tired, you just want a quick meal, this is it. This is it. So let's cut through and see how, ooh wee, guys, this is my favorite thing to do now. Just look at that. Cooked. Very much cooked. Very tender from the inside. You can see potatoes in your microwave, as easy as ABC. No more hassle, no more bustles. Just easy work in your microwave and you have your potatoes. So guys, you have seen the very many uses of the microwave that you guys were not seeing or were ignoring or didn't know. So make sure to utilize your appliances, your gadgets to the maximums. This microwaves, these appliances you bought with your money, so make extra use of them. And we as Aurelia's Kitchen are here to plug you with all the recipes that you need, all those ideas that you didn't know. We are here for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and I hope you'll try out all these recipes. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.